My dear students, I am going to read the question. Three blocks of mass m1, m2 and m3 are connected as shown in the figure. All the surfaces are frictionless and the string and the pulley are light. Find the acceleration of m1 block. Okay. Now here I am going to draw the free body diagram of m1 block. So the tension I am taking as an T. Okay. So now the acceleration I am taking as an A. So this acceleration we have to find out. Now A, here is an tension T. Okay. Now see in the downwards two blocks tension I take as an T dash. So now it is as an T. Okay. Now first I am going to write the equation for the M1 block. It's become as an T is equal to M1A. So consider this is an equation 1. Now I am going to draw the free body diagram of pulley. So tension is an upward T and downwards is I took as an T dash T dash. Now for the equation for the pulley is become as an 2 T dash is equal to T. Now T dash is equal to how much, my dear? T by 2. Consider this equation is an second equation. Okay. Now the total system will be moving downwards with the acceleration A. Yes or no? So this side is also C. So M2 block is moving with an A naught and M2 is moving with an A naught only because same string. So now I am going to draw the free body diagram of both the blocks. So this block is an M2 and another block is an M3. Okay. Now the accelerations, it is an A dash, sorry, A naught is an downwards and A naught is an upward direction. Now the total system will be an moving with A with the downward direction. So I am going to write the A net for the M2 block. So A net for the M2 block is A minus A naught. So in the similar manner M3 block is an A plus A naught. Now I am going to draw the free body diagram, okay, for M2 block. So upward is an tension and downward is an weight, that is an M2G. So total acceleration is an A. Yes or no? So here is an, I am going to write A net. A net is equal to A minus A naught. Yes or no? Now if I write the equation for this M2 block, it's become as an M2G minus T dash is equal to M2 A minus A naught. Yes or no? So now M2G minus T dash is nothing but what, my dear? From the second equation T by 2, that is equal to M2 into A minus A naught. So from the second equation. So now M2G minus T value is how much, my dear? From the first equation M1A. So M1A by 2 is equal to M2 A minus A naught from the equation 1. Yes or no? So divide this equation both the side with an M2. Okay. So now it is become as an G minus, yes or no? It is become as an G minus M1 by M2 into A by 2, that is equal to A minus A naught. Consider this is an equation number 3. Now similar manner I am going to draw the free body diagram for M3 block. So this is an M3 block. Yes or no? The weight downwards is an M3G. Yes or no? And upward is an T dash. Yes or no? So now the total A net is equal to how much, my dear? A net is equal to A plus A naught. Yes or no? So that is the A net for the M3 block. So now this block is moving downwards. So that's why the equation is become as an M3G minus T dash is equal to M3 into A plus A naught. Now M3G T dash is nothing but T by 2 from the equation 2. So that is equal to M3 into A plus A naught. So I wrote as an from equation 2. So now M3G minus T value is an from the first equation M1 A1, and substitute the values. M1 A1 upon 2 is equal to M3 into A plus A naught from the equation 3 value I substituted. So now divide this equation on the both the side with m3. Yes or no? So now what will happen? See here, I will going to be write the equation. So it's become as an g minus m1 by m3 into a by 2 is equal to a plus a naught. That is an equation 4. Now I am going to write the equation 3 here. So g minus m1 by m2 into a by 2, that is equal to a minus a naught. So simply I am going to add these two equations. Okay, then what will happen? So a naught get cancelled. Yes or no? So a naught get cancelled. It becomes as an 2g minus, I'll take the common as a minus. So m1 by, see here, m1 by m2, okay, plus m1 by m3 into g by a by 2. So this is an 2, right? So m2. So a by 2 is equal to 2a. So now we have to find out the a value. So this equation I will going to be make send that side. So here is an 2g is equal to 2a plus, so m1, so a by 2 also I took as a common, a by 2 into m1 by m2 plus m1 by m3. So now here 2g is equal to, so here I'll take a LCM 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 plus a into m1 by m2 plus m1 by m3. So here the LCM is an 2. So total upon, okay, 2. So now cross multiplication, if we do the cross multiplication, so it will become as an 4g. Yes or no? So I am going to write here. So now it is an 4g is equal to how much, my dear? See, I am going to be take a common as an a. Okay, so here, so if I take a common, so because we want a value, so a common 4 plus 1 into m1 by m2 plus m1 by m3. So a is equal to, it's become as an 4g upon, see here, 4 plus, here is an 1. Okay, yes or no? So 4 plus 1 into m1 by m2 plus m1 by m3. Yes or no? Now I am going to take the common 4. So 4g by 4, if I take a common, it become as an 1 plus 1 by 4. Yes or no? m1 also I will take a common as an both the equations. So m1 by 4. So remaining is an m1 by 1 by m2 plus 1 by m3. 4 4 get cancelled. So the final equation is comes as an a is equal to g upon 1 plus m1 by 4 into 1 by m2 plus, yes or no, 1 by m2 plus 1 by m3. This is the final equation. So this is the acceleration of m1 block. Are you getting my point? See here, our which option is correct, my dears? Our third option is the correct option.